안녕. Hi everyone. Today we will fill out definitions of inductive reasoning, conjecture, and understand how to find patterns and make the conjecture while trying some examples. Once I finish it, demonstrate some examples, it's your turn to find patterns or sequences and make the conjectures on your assignment. Let's begin. Inductive reasoning is making a conclusion based on observations and patterns. Conjecture is a concluding statement reached using inductive reasoning. It's like a propose an idea. Let's try an example. Find the next 5 terms of the sequences, then write a conjecture. So the first example, we have a 38, 31, 24, 17. So you can tell the number is going down, and I don't see any patterns of dividing. So let's try the differences between numbers. So 38 to 37, it has a subtract by 7, and 31 to 24, do you see? That's another subtraction of 7. 24 minus 7 also become 17. So the next number we can find, subtract from 17. So it is 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 3 minus 7, negative 4. Negative 4 minus 7, negative 11. Negative 11 minus 7, negative 18. So conjecture, you just describe about what's the pattern in order to get next terms, right? So I will say to generate the next term, subtract 7 from the previous term. Sometimes it can have a more than one process. You just need to find a pattern or sequences and describe. And sometimes there are totally different patterns exist. As long as you can justify and write it on your conjecture, that is all correct answer. Number 2, between 2, 5, 11, 23. And this is a case you can actually have a more than one process to get that pattern. So we multiply by 2 first and add 1. So 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is gonna be 5. So 5 times 2 plus 1 will be 11. 11 times 2 plus 1 will be 23. So the next number should be 23 times 2 plus 1, which will be, that's right, 47. And 47 times 2 plus 1, very good, 95. And 95 plus, 95 multiplied by 2 plus 1, that should be 190 plus 1, so 191. 191 times 2 plus 1, that is 383. So 383 times 2 plus 1, that's right, 767. So how can we describe the patterns? To generate the next term, double or multiply by 2 the previous term and add 1. On number 3, let's try make a 2 different conjecture. So let's see the first parent we can find between 1, 4, 9, 16. As you notice, there are very good perfect square numbers, right? So what does that mean? 1 square will be 1. 2 square will be 4. 3 square will be 9. 4 square will be 16. So next one should be, that's right, 5 square, which is 25. And 6 square will be 36. And 7 square will be 49. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 81. So the first conjecture we can have to generate the next term will be square the number, right? So first conjecture is to find the nth term. The nth term means, you see, the first one is 1 square, the second one is 2 square, the third one is 3 square, fourth one is 4 square. So it's go on, right? So the fifth one will be 5 square. So that's the nth term means. Then what we need to do? That's right, square n. So that's the first pattern. Let's looking for then second pattern, what we can find. Let me erase this quick so we can see better. So between 1 and 4, the number is increased by what? 3. And then 4 to 9 is 5. 9 to 7, it will be 7. Can you guess what can be the next one? Very good. Next one will be 16 plus 9. That will be 25. And the next one is 25 plus 11. That's 36. 36 plus, that's right, 13. That will be 49. And what's next one? 49 plus 15. That will be 64. And 64 plus 17. That's right, 81. So how we can describe the pattern? To generate the next term, we can add consecutive odd numbers. The last one, this is a very simple one. You see A, B, C, D. So there's a B and C is missing. And E, F, G. So E and F is missing between. And H, I, J. So H, I is missing. Then what is next one? And J, K, L, M. So K, L, what's next? M, N, O. So it will be P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So how we can write the conjecture? To generate the next term, skip 2 letters after the previous term. All right, make sure complete the assignment of inductive reasoning and conjecture. Now, let's move on to counter example. See you soon. 안녕.